centers on Sadamine Pass, the place where Takahashi Keisuke first met Iwase Kyoko. Before heading to the actual racing course, I stopped by a certain car accessories shop. This is where Kyoko works. Now we're at the station. This is where Keisuke, driving his brother's FC, came to pick Kyoko up. It was shortly after the battle at Tsushisaka Pass. During that race, Keisuke's FD suffered serious damage due to a dirty trick by his opponent. By coincidence, Kyoko, who had come to spectate, was also driving an FD. Keisuke borrowed her car and, thanks to that, managed to win the race. As a gesture of thanks, he invited her to lunch, and this is where they arranged to meet. This is the cafe Kyoko often visited. Around the time she met Keisuke at Sadamine Pass, she would come here with her best friend, chatting away about love and relationships in the carefree way only close friends can. Here we are at the Tsukigawa Weir, located on the way from the cafe to Sadamine Pass. This scene appeared several times in the anime, but because it's hidden from the road, identifying its real-world location was quite a challenge. This spot once featured an arch sign over the road leading to Sadamine Pass. In reality, the sign has long been removed, so finding this exact location was no easy task. By comparing the surrounding buildings and the shape of the mountains in the background, I was able to pinpoint it. I suspect the sign was taken down when the pavement on the left side of the road was constructed. We've arrived at the bridge on the eastern edge of Sadamine Pass. This was a popular gathering spot for spectators. It's here that fake versions of Takumi and Keisuke showed up, basking in attention and acting smug. Just as they were enjoying themselves, the real Takumi made a dramatic entrance with a stylish drift. Joined by Akiyama Wataru and Keisuke, Takumi confronted the imposters and gave them a proper dressing down. This is the starting point of the hill climb. Just before the hill climb battle with Keisuke, Kyoko's FD suffered engine trouble. She had sensed something was off but ignored it until the last moment, prompting Keisuke to scold her for not taking things seriously. The car was brought here for repairs, and thanks to the skilled mechanics of Project D, it was fixed in no time. As a result, the battle between Keisuke and Kyoko went ahead as planned. This is the pass Teahouse at the western edge of Sadamine Pass, the very place where Kyoko and Keisuke first met. The car park here was a popular hangout for local street racers. During the public road race, Project D set up their pit area in this car park. Now we drive the downhill course. On the left side of the road, the open drainage ditch lies in wait like a trap. Just before the start, Takahashi Yosuke gave Takumi a specific instruction: don't try to pull away before the first hairpin. Match your opponent's pace until then. After that, drive however you like. Following Takumi was Akiyama Nobuhiko, who quickly realized Takumi wasn't going full throttle at the start. Here's the first hairpin. As Nobuhiko rounded the bend, the Hachiroku that had been right in front of him was suddenly far ahead, completely out of reach. The battle was effectively decided here, and the rest of the race was skipped in the anime. These corners are particularly intimidating. The center line is studded, and the roadside walls jut out towards the road, making left-handers especially nerve-wracking. here we are, the finish line. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, I'd be grateful if you subscribe to the channel.